Hey everyone, I'm Ashley. Welcome to my channel. I've been raving since 2011, and raves have been such a huge part of my life. There's something so special about the music, the energy, and the community that brings me so much happiness. I've been lucky enough to experience EDC Las Vegas multiple times, and now, for the first time ever, I'm here at EDC Mexico 2025.
It is absolutely hilarious. We're not even inside of EDC yet, and there's all these tents everywhere selling cheaper merchandise than what we're going to find inside. I do want to go shopping. If I don't find what I need inside of EDC, then I'll look for something when it's over, outside.
¡Suerte para la próxima! ¡Venga, siguiente! I didn't win nothing.
No, I didn't win anything, but they gave me free tokens. We're walking to the VIP entrance because we have VIP tickets for tonight. They call it City Banamex.
Here, that's cool.
How cute. Now that we're inside, I want to take a lap around the racetrack, see what's here. Seki stage. Look, they have one of my favorite rides. Let's see how long the line is. Oh my god. Taki's friendship bracelets, that's hilarious. Bar. Wow. There's the drop tower I want to go on. Ferris wheel, kinetic field. We're in line to ride the drop tower. This one is called La Torre. Going on a drop tower is my favorite way to start EDC because you get the most amazing view of all of the stages, all of the rides and everything. And then you're hit with an incredible rush. Out of all the rides you've been on, you should be excited for this one because it's named after you.
I don't like any. YouTuber. Blogger. Blogger. Sí.
Since we're VIP, we get to wait in a shorter line. Thank God. I love these short drop towers that come to EDC because they're just so intense. Oh my god.
Your hair here.
Yeah, they could cut my hair too. has this shuttle service that takes you from stage to stage. That was cool. We just met Victor. He's about to start his set in about 20 minutes on stereo boom. Hey guys, so it's the next night and I'm just hanging out in Chinatown. After EDC, I went and bought this t-shirt for $10. It has the owl on the front and it looks like they put like EDC here, like Mexican design. And on the back it says EDC Mexico. There was so much more I wanted to get, like a Tiesto shirt, other EDC shirts. They had these cool EDC reflective jackets. Like I would have been happy with any other merch. But our Uber was waiting and it was time to go. So I had to hurry up, get this shirt, and then leave. EDC Mexico overall was a lot of fun. It was like the one in Vegas, but the timing was different. It went from 3 p.m. to 2 a.m. instead of overnight. Everywhere I went, it had the Mexican feel to it, which I was hoping to get. There were Takis, Mexican food everywhere. It was so much fun. The venue it was held at was also a racetrack, like the one in Vegas.
For the vlog, come on.
No, I'm done eating weird shit.
I give you $100.
I'm tired of eating bugs.
100 pesos.
No.
For the vlog, for the vlog.
No.
You did it in Thailand, now you're gonna do it in Mexico. I promise you it's not that bad. These are pretty damn good.
Because she said it's good, I'll try one.
Try it.
Ew, you can see the head in everything.
Oh my gosh. I'm never kissing you again. Gross. Not bad?
It's
A
not.
little spicy.
These are way better than the ones in Thailand. I'm actually really impressed.